Mia, look, my favorite cartoon is on. But how does this TV even show moving pictures? It's just a box. It's not magic, Arif. It's science. Want to know the secret? Yes. Tell me, tell me. First, the TV gets a signal. This signal can come from a cable, a satellite, or even the internet. So the TV is like receiving messages. Exactly. The signal brings all the information about colors, shapes, and sounds. But how does the TV show pictures? TVs are made of tiny dots called pixels. Millions of them. Millions. That's more than the candies I ate last year. Definitely more. Each pixel can glow in red, green, or blue. When they mix, they make all the colors you see on the screen. So the picture is made by tiny glowing dots. Yes. And the TV changes these dots really, really fast, like thousands of times every single second. Whoa, that's why the picture looks like it's moving. But what about the sound? How do we hear the voices? Inside the TV, there are speakers. They vibrate the air to make sound waves. So the TV shakes the air to talk to us. Yup, tiny vibrations make big sounds. Let me see if I got it. The TV works because first, it gets signals with picture and sound info. Then, millions of pixels make the picture. And finally, speakers make the sound. Perfect! That's how your cartoons come alive on the screen. Wow, TVs are super smart. Now I'll watch cartoons and think about all those pixels. Just don't try to count them one by one. Challenge accepted. Arif, new. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked learning about how TVs work, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science secrets. See you next time.